I wanna show you how to change TV screen in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already edited two video clips on my timeline. The lower clip is the shot of the TV, and the upper one is the footage I want to display on the screen. The first thing that you need to do is to select the top clip and go to the FX control panel. Reduce the scale setting until the video roughly matches the size of the TV screen. Now go to the effects and write sphere. Add the sphere effect to the video clip. Following all the time and the effects, let's write corner pin, and again add the corner pin effect to your video clip. Come back to the FX control, open the corner pin settings and drag each of the four corners handles to match the corners of the TV screen. The last thing that you need to do is to increase the sphere radius until your video begins to conform with the curves of the TV. Following, increasing or decreasing the scale, you can make sure that it fits nicely within the frame. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.